In one of many gentrified neighborhoods of Brooklyn, a woman takes a monumental step. Engagement, and later, marriage. We are familiar with this human ritual, but rarely do we get a chance to look into the effect it has on the surrounding females. It's time to journey into that fragile wilderness, to track human life in intimate detail. Two females with one mission: to escape their true reaction to the American institution of marriage. This is the incredible story of woman's first wedding announcement. We see them here in their natural habitat. Rarely witnessed behavior is played out under the stars.
Did you hear that Jess got engaged?
Oh my God, that's so exciting! She's gonna make such a beautiful bride. Did she post the ring picture?
Yeah. Oh, it is absolutely stunning. It's a silver banded Asher cut diamond.
Oh my God.
So stunning, so timeless.
You must be doing pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
Mike, right? I think I met him a while back. He was handsome. He's getting his MBA, right?
That's right. They make such a beautiful couple. Mm-hmm. He's holding the wedding at her father's estate in Rhinebeck.
Gosh, that's so magical. So romantic.
Notice how the female turns toward her wine for emotional support. The knowledge they seem to have about the ceremonial aspects of this event and the details they have about the symbol of engagement imply a certain level of investment.
How long have they been together?
I think they started seeing each other around senior year.
Wow.
I hear they're buying a house out in Terrytown.
Wow.
Yeah.
They must be doing pretty well for themselves.
Isn't he still in school?
Huh. Uh-huh. Maybe they're getting help from her dad?
That's nice of him.
Seems a little fast. I wonder if she's pregnant.
We witness the thick of what one sociologist calls the changing timetable for adulthood. The female feels her biological clock ticking while still impeded by financial dependence on her parents. This is characteristic of the post-collegiate millennial. She is trapped in a type of purgatory, feeling a strong desire for independence while still mourning the loss of the comfort and structure of adolescence. Typical of the species, as the wine enters the bloodstream, the female becomes more candid. Here, we're offered a peek into the feelings her instincts normally mask. Let's watch.
You know, I never thought she'd be the first.
She was a bit of a slut. I mean, she never had a serious boyfriend all throughout high school.
She got around. I wonder if she's going to keep her job. I mean, it was a random receptionist position to be dropped once she was swooped up.
He comes from money, I think, even more than her.
I thought I'd get married before Jess.
Jessica is a slutty name.
His hairline is sort of receding in their engagement photo.
I bet she gets fat like her mom.
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
She always had an odd relationship with her brother.
We better get invited to this damn wedding charade.
Plagued plagued by jealousy and resentment, yet obligated to present genuine excitement, the young females are forced to suppress their true emotional response to the engagement. They woo.
Oh my God.
This is the sound of the female bonding cry. It echoes across cell phones and brunch tables, starting around the age of 23 and often resonates as late as 35, or, in certain instances, is never-ending. With each wedding and pregnancy announcement, we see the same ritual. The biological clock ticks louder, and the woos become more desperate. The female forces excitement while repressing the turmoil of her own life's stagnancy. Within this brief encounter lies the fate of the upper middle class 20-something female. As the female greets another day, the future is hopeful, but decidedly uncertain. Even with modern technologies, the elusive soul mate is a challenge to find. An enigma whose secrets remain hidden.